So you're watching this video right now using Wi-Fi. It's probably, unless you're one of those Ethernet cable into the soul types. Either way, ever stopped and asked yourself, what the heck is Wi-Fi and how does it even work? Like you just walk into a coffee shop and BAM, somehow your phone knows everything again. Magic, aliens, little cyber hamsters running in wheels. Well, grab your tinfoil hats, because in this video, we're demystifying Wi-Fi. And no, you don't need a degree in rocket science. Just a little curiosity and maybe half a functioning brain cell. Welcome to Think Bits, the channel where we explain complicated things in the least complicated way possible. They probably make your brain giggle. Alright, let's start with the basics. Wi-Fi, short for wireless fidelity, which by the way means absolutely nothing. It's like naming your dog Fluffy when it's a hairless chihuahua. The name was basically made up because it sounded catchy. But anyway, Wi-Fi is what lets your devices talk to the internet without dragging a cable around like it's 1999. So how does it do that? Imagine you've got an invisible spaghetti monster in your house. This monster is your Wi-Fi router. It's connected to the internet through a wired connection. And it's flinging out signals in every direction, kind of like your dog throwing up after eating crayons. Messy but effective. These signals are actually radio waves. Yep, the same type of waves used by radios. It's microwaves and people who still use walkie-talkies for fun. Except Wi-Fi works at much higher frequencies. Usually 2.4 gigahertz or 5 gigahertz. That's gigahertz for the cool kids. It just means the waves wiggle really fast. Like billions of times per second. It's faster than your brain trying to remember why you walked into the kitchen. Now, your phone, laptop, or smart fridge also has a built-in Wi-Fi antenna. When you connect to a network, your device starts listening to these radio waves coming from your router and it talks back. They're having a full-blown conversation. Like, hey router, I want to watch cat videos. And the router's like, hold up, let me grab them from the internet real quick. And this conversation is done in packets. No, not like potato chips. These are tiny chunks of data. Your device sends a request, give me YouTube. And the router sends back data packets filled with your sweet distraction. But here's the thing. These radio waves have rules. They can't just go through anything and everything. Walls, slow them down. Microwaves, interfere like a nosy neighbor. Your neighbor's Wi-Fi might be crashing the party too if you're both using the same channel. It's like trying to yell across a crowded room. Eventually, someone's gone, nah, get confused, and send you a picture of their dog instead of the Wi-Fi password. It's that SY newer routers. It's like those sexy little boxes with names like AX3000 or something that sounds like a Marvel villain. Come with dual band or even tri-band capabilities. That just means they can handle more lanes of traffic without turning into a digital traffic jam. More lanes, fewer crashes, your Netflix stays crisp, your game doesn't lag, your smart toaster doesn't have an existential crisis mid-toast. Also, Wi-Fi is not the internet. Let me say that again for the people in the back who still call tech support yelling the Wi-Fi is broken. Wi-Fi is just the way your device gets to the internet. It's like the bridge. The actual internet is a chaotic network of servers, wires, and data centers probably sitting in a freezing warehouse somewhere while Jeff Bezos counts his money. Your router is just the gatekeeper, and if it dies, well, no more memes for you. Now, you might be wondering, what keeps Wi-Fi secure? How does it not just leak my emails to the neighbor with a telescope in a dream? Enter encryption. Your router locks all the signals with a password, so even if someone intercepts those radio waves, all they'll get is a bunch of gibberish. Unless they're a hacker, in which case, maybe don't name your network FBI surveillance van and call it a day. Also, let's talk range. Wi-Fi doesn't go on forever. It's not Gandalf. A typical router can cover, like your house, maybe a bit of your driveway if the Wi-Fi gods are kind. Beyond that, you're on your own. That's why we've got extenders and mesh systems now. Basically routers that gossip with each other to keep your signal strong. They're like middle school cliques, but for internet. And yes, the future of Wi-Fi is already here. Wi-Fi 6, Wi-Fi 6E, and Wi-Fi 7 is creeping in. Faster speeds, lower latency, better for crowded networks. It's like giving your router caffeine in therapy. So to wrap this up, Wi-Fi is basically invisible internet magic powered by radio waves, routers, and sheer willpower. It's how your phone knows everything, your TV streams junk, and your smart fridge judges you every time you open it at 2 a.m. Is it complicated under the hood? Absolutely. But for you, it's just click, connect, and boom. Endless doom scrolling. Thanks for tuning in to Think Bits, where we explain the stuff your brain pretends to understand. If you like this video, cool. Not, the Wi-Fi probably glitched. Either way, hit the button, why things, and go touch some grass. After the next video, catch you later, Internet Gremlins.